Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you today. We're going to turn it over to Kathy so we can start showing you guys what sold for us today.
Hey guys, I feel like it's getting better.
Yeah.
It sounds kind of bad right now, but today definitely feels the best so far. So
On the mend.
by the end of the week. But I did want to thank Elizabeth. She bought us 2 coffees and said she's been plugging away the last couple of days entering sales into the spreadsheet. Love how much it's already helping me know my numbers.
Awesome.
Thanks for making it free. You guys are awesome. So thank you so much, Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, thank you so much for that support. We do appreciate it. Glad you're liking the spreadsheet.
Yeah.
We do have a link down in our description. If you guys are interested in that spreadsheet, it is free. You just have to click the link, and I think you have to type $0 if you want to get it for free. It saves it to your Google Drive, and then you're able to work on it from your own Google account. So it's kind of downloading it to your Google Drive.
Okay.
All right. Anyway,
let's get pulling some sales. I said I wasn't gonna show all the kid stuff that we sold, which were these 2.
Yeah.
One did just come in literally a few seconds before we started recording, so I will pull that one just because I have it already.
right.
And I did actually profit $5 off it, even though it was a personal item. So. Actually, just listed and put this away today. Go back. Next time that sells, it'll just fall on my head. Alright, this is just Cat and Jack, so it's Target brand kids sweater. I actually bought this off Kitizen from one of my friends a couple months back. We wore it. I only bought it for $7 free shipping from her, and I sold it for $15 plus shipping on Mercari. So wore it and made a $5 profit. So
Sweet.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so keep using our bunny mailers today. These are not Shipping Hip, but Shipping Hip, I think it's Friday. What's today? Wednesday?
Today is Tuesday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, by the time you guys see this video, it's probably Thursday.
Gonna be Wednesday, maybe Thursday. One of the days.
Probably Wednesday. So anyways, Shipping Hip on Friday of this week is releasing their 4 new prints for the spring, and then they'll have more coming out in June. But yeah, they have the sneak peek on their Instagram page if you want to check that out. We do have a code with them, which is Ginger15 on Friday. If you need any poly mailers, you can use that for their drop. So,
and that gives what, 15% off
of whatever
of
they
your order.
Yeah, and they do free shipping.
Okay.
Always. So yeah, whatever the price is on their site is including them shipped to your house. So
sweet.
Yep, and they have different quantities. If you only sell very part-time, you can get as low as 25 at a time.
Yeah, obviously when you buy lower quantity, you pay more per mailer, but
yeah, I try to buy, well, lately I've only bought 50 packs, but because I have so many, because I can't stop. But yeah, if you buy 250 at once, you're probably more in the 20 cents a mailer range, which is kind of where I like to stay. Anyhow, this is a pair of Mizuno sneakers that I sold for $39.95 plus shipping. I paid $6.99 for these, so pretty good little flip. Those sold on eBay, and they're going to go out in a shoebox. And I actually know we sold a few shoes today, so I'll just grab a few shoe boxes out. Okay, CD.
CD's that way.
Oh, yeah.
These are the B's.
Yes. You're right. I'm wrong. 6 flops. All right, these I got at the bins for $1.84. Pair of Fit Flop. That's always a tongue twister. Fit Flop, Flip Flop. They're not even flip flop sandals, but slide sandals. Anyhow, sold them for $29 plus shipping on eBay, so not bad. Those are under £1, so we'll just ship them out in a mailer. Okay, CL, which the C's are over here, guys, other than those 2 down there.
Yeah, there are 2 C's right down there.
All right, these are actually going out to Kendra, our viewer, and friend.
Yeah.
Obviously, we've never met in real life, but you've been around forever, and you make the best cookies, so.
Yeah.
Kendra bought this from me on Kitizen last night. It's a pair of Skechers. $37.95 free ship. I do free shipping on Kitizen. I just kind of build it into the price. And the shipping cost me $9.50, and then the shoes cost me $8.12. So still making a little profit there. Thank you so much, Kendra.
Yeah, Kendra, thank you so much for all the amazing support.
Yeah.
And the great cookies.
Yeah. That, since we're going on Kitizen, I have to put it in a brown box, or it doesn't have to be brown, but just not a USPS box.
Right.
So, all right, AI. Thank you, Kendra. All right, this was the brand Horny Toad, which now is called Toad & Co. I had never actually sold the brand Horny Toad, only Toad & Co. But I saw this and I thought it was like kind of a cool vintagey vibe shirt. Mm-hmm. So I bought it. It didn't sell that great. I paid $2 for it, and I put it in my eBay 50% off sale, which I reactivated last night to go through, like, I think Thursday. Sold for $9.98 plus shipping, so.
And that's the Horny Toad kind?
So the older label, the newer label.
So does that mean the Toad & Co. generally does better now, or is this just because the color?
I probably wouldn't pick this up again.
Right.
Honestly, I didn't really pick it up for the brand. I just thought it was kind of a decent looking shirt, and it was $2. So figured I couldn't lose, which I didn't. I still made like a close to $6 profit, I think, on that. Not great. I wouldn't do it again, obviously, but I was hoping it would sell for around 15 and I'd profit 10. All right, DR. Now these sold in just a couple days.
Must be the closet. Doctor.
And actually, I think they sold in like one day. This is the brand Cabby, which is my first time selling shoes by them. I've sold a few of their clothing pieces. But yeah, these were basically brand new. Without box, I did pay $9.74 for them. I think that was my average that day. But I accepted a $42 offer. I listed at $50. So really happy with that. Yeah, I wasn't sure just because I don't wear this kind of shoes. I always am like, should I pick these kind of thing up? But they sold fast. I thought they'd be pretty cute for summer. But they're like the wedges that you have to tie around your ankles. So I'm like, man, can't imagine actually wearing those. But I am always falling and stuff, so I wouldn't wear them, but I admire people who do wear them.
Yeah, I feel like that would be really hard to get the right tension on there, right? Like tie it too tight.
If you walk, like it would loosen a little bit. I don't know. People
Style,
wear them.
though.
They look cute. Maybe if it's like a sit-down barbecue or something.
Just don't walk in these shoes.
They probably don't wear those to barbecues either. All right. So the Skechers from Utah, I did pay $9.49 for them. Sold them for $31 with discount shipping on Poshmark. Is there something?
No. Sorry, I thought there was something.
He always does that. He's like always like doing these kinds of things to him. So I think like my hair's messed up or my shirt's messed up.
I saw something out of the corner of my eye when I was trying to see what shoes those were.
Yeah, they're those like the knit Skechers. Like they kind of remind me of Rockies. So those have always sold well for me. I've sold a few different colors of them. So I'm gonna keep picking those up. All right, more C stuff. CT.
It's right here.
Where? Right here?
Yep.
Okay. Billabong shorts. These are the submersibles, so just like a quick dry, stretchy material short. I picked these up for $3.99. Sold them for $20 on Poshmark. And those will go out in the tie back. Okay, this is a bundle sale, BA and AM. Let's do AM first. Then BA, ABC. Let me give you a tummy rub.
I'm gonna pull you this way. You're okay. Who's a good boy? Yeah.
Alright, this is two pairs of Keens. They're basically the same shoe in different colors and different sizes. That one's just a black Mary Jane, and this is like a blue. Somebody bundled them. So they had gotten the two Posture VA offers separately, so they added them to a bundle. But the Posture VA offers would have came out to about $60, but then with discount shipping. So they offered me $40. which is just a little bit too low because I did kind of pay around $10 each for them. My total into both is $20.12. So I countered back at basically the same Posh VA. I think I countered back at 57, which was basically the Posh VA offer.
Right.
They came up to 50. I accepted because then I'm making 40, so about doubling my money here.
Right.
And they're kid-size keens, so I thought that was fair for both. Do I think those would fit in a medium flat rate together? Let's see. Oh, he's not even there.
Well, you made him.
I know. He didn't have to keep doing it. Yeah. Those will both fit nicely in one of those boxes. Alrighty. DA Nike cleats. Alright, these are, well, I call them cleats. They're just like, I don't know. Do you call a golf shoe like a cleat? Not really, right?
I think golf cleats.
I guess.
Is it for
Just like
turf
plastic spikes. I don't know.
That's probably for grass. Yeah, huh?
Anyways, they're a pair of Nike women's golf shoes.
Golf shoes. That's the answer.
Shoes or cleats, whatever you want to call them.
Footwear.
I did pay $10.99 for these. They were in really good shape. I did look up comps before I bought them, and the comps were only around 30 to 35, but I still bought them because I figured I could double my money. I sold them for $29 plus ship, so a little better than doubling my money there. I think those will fit in a padded flat rate. K-Box N. Oh.
He got out.
Oh.
Reese is a nomad.
I had this squish over here a little bit. Okay, this is an Oshkosh vintage little floral overall. It's kind of like soft though. It's not like denim. Anyways, I paid 99 cents for it. I listed it high because, again, vintage. Some of these go for a lot. This one didn't. It did get a lot of interest, but I put it in the 50% off sale on eBay, and then I even sent another offer. So I ended up getting 20 plus ship, which is still really good to turn $1 into 20 plus shipping. Yeah, so eBay, that's going to go in a mailer. All right, shoe shelf, squeaky floor. Okay, LL Bean shoes. I see you. All right, so these I picked up. I remember I paid $15 for these, but I must have averaged my cost of goods this day because I typed them in as $10.97, which makes sense too. And
for averaging, right?
I bought that day. So, anyways, they sold for $44.95 plus shipping. They're really good shape. Just a basic shoe.
Yeah, the tread looks great.
Yeah.
Nice shoes.
Yeah, so these sold, $10.97 into $44.95. Okay, those will go in the shoe box. Okay. A couple more. Box M. This has just been hanging out on the tables for a couple weeks because I didn't know what to call it. I still don't really. I don't know if it was a tablet or a laptop case. I called it both.
Yeah.
That's the brand Thule.
I think it's Thule.
Thule.
But I'm not sure.
Yeah, I don't know.
Because I think they also do like bike racks and stuff, right?
Oh, okay. Oh, that you said your mom had one?
Yeah.
Okay. That sounds, I mean, I know
Yeah.
I've heard people say Thule, but
Right.
doesn't mean they're right either.
I've just always thought of this as being the Thule. I could just be completely wrong on that, and it's like Thule or something. I don't know.
So anyways, I got this at the bin, so $1.84 into it. Sold it for $12 plus shipping. Sold in a day, so maybe could have got a few dollars more on that, but those are the things I want to move pretty quickly.
Yeah.
We'll ship that in a larger mailer. Where did I put you? Yeah, should be good. Okay, last but not least, box E. Some Allegria blue sandals. Bought for $11.10, sold for $35 plus ship on Mercari.
Sweet.
So those I need to find a box for in the closet because it's UPS.
Gotcha.
So.
Looks like this guy made it back to his bed. You chewing on your leg?
Yeah, nothing else is coming yet.
Cool. So yeah, we'll go find a box. Just can't be a USPS box because that's what FedEx Smart Post or whatever.
Yeah, UPS.
UPS Smart Post, whatever they call it. Sure Post, right?
Yeah. I see that the Smart Post though, the actual FedEx, went back to $7.99 on Mercari for up to 3 pounds, which was really nice because at the beginning of the year they all kind of jumped up a few dollars, which was a bummer.
Right.
So, anyways, those must have been listed for a while, but
at the
I think
old
it's
rate.
While we were in Utah, they sent out the email that it's
going back.
So all the new stuff I've listed, I've done the $7.99 FedEx, which it does take a while to get to them, but I've never really had anyone complain, and they've all made it there. So
yeah. Sweet. So we'll go ahead and get these things all packed up, and then I'm sure we'll check back in with you guys right after that. Alrighty. Thanks for the help, Reese Bears. Got everything all packed up, ready to go. No new sales came in.
Sales.
Although it was only a few minutes, so maybe 10, 15 minutes to pack all that stuff
But
up.
that finally feels like a normal day again.
Yeah.
It's been not obviously another slow start to April, but Chris always tells me the beginning of the month's always slow, which I guess I always forget because in like the first few days I'm always like, oh no.
Right.
I hope that it picks up.
Well, and I feel like the last part of the month is always better because when you're slower in the beginning of the month and you have goals that you want to make, I feel like you're like, oh, I gotta grind at it, right?
And then I've been grinding at it. I listed a whole bunch.
Right, but you take more offers, you take, like you send more, yeah, you do different work at the end of the month, I think. So
I guess. But if every day was like this, I'm perfectly happy.
Yeah.
Obviously, even if it's not, I'm still perfectly happy to not have to go to another job. So.
For sure. Guys, that is going to do it for today's video. I know our videos have been fairly short recently. Just trying to give Kathy's voice as much of a break as we can while also still having content for you guys. And yeah, we're just trying to have a good balance. I think like Kathy's voice is doing a lot better today than it was yesterday.
There's some estate sales on Friday, so I'm
yeah, we want to hit up some stuff this weekend, maybe even garage sale, like Kathy said, estate sales. And yeah, we're really hoping this summer we're going to have a good time doing a lot more garage sales. So with GoPro action, I'll probably have the GoPro. I don't know. She's too afraid.
If we did it together, I'd be less.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the support today. We do appreciate that. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.